Community voicemail began with the belief that reliable access to a telephone is necessary for survival, yet is often overlooked as a means to help people in need. In 1991, 2 Washington state social workers used a donated voicemail system to help their homeless clients find jobs. The results were unprecedented. An amazing 70% of their homeless clients found jobs in the first 6 months. Today, the Community Voicemail Network stretches across 18 states and serves over 47,000 people each year, supplying the essential foundation necessary to end homelessness in this country: reliable access to communication. A free service utilized by a broad range of clients, Community Voicemail helps people avoid long-term unemployment and homelessness, escape domestic violence, and reconnect to opportunity and stability. For thousands each year, Community Voicemail is truly a lifeline, helping people in need reclaim their lives.
I was able to find work, find a home, and stay in touch and in contact with the outside world. It can make such a difference in your life. It can take you from being homeless and allow you to get a home. It can keep you in touch with medical personnel, keep you in touch with friends and family. It gives you a new start on life. And Community Voicemail allows you to communicate with the outside world and take the necessary steps to move forward in your life.